morning everyone. Today is 20th Tuesday. So this is my beautiful hotel in Interlaken. I am staying here for 7 a.m. here in Interlaken, Switzerland. I am just waiting for my breakfast in the hostel. So breakfast will start at 7:30. So then I will have breakfast, take shower, and then proceed around 9 o'clock. I will start my journey. I will start my exploration in Switzerland for today. So see the beautiful neighborhood in Switzerland. So here if you take videos, no problem, because everyone takes videos. Each and everyone, like young, adult, aged, old, all people there, they take videos, photos in mobiles and cameras. So it is very quite common for them, but we should at least make sure that we should not record people, only record places and beautiful scenery, mountains, lakes. So this is a neighborhood close to my hostel. See how excellent it is. So life is a full cycle. We have stayed in this hostel in the year 2005, like 20 years back, and again I am staying now in 2025. So excellent. This is the cheapest hostel, one of the cheapest hostel in Interlaken. So there is one more. This is only 3,000 rupees per night. The sharing accommodation. So we get only bed and we have to share bathrooms and toilets with others. But it is excellent. So we came here to visit places, not to enjoy hotels. Hotels, if you want to enjoy, we can go to either Bangkok or cheap places like Sri Lanka, Bali, Indonesia, Jakarta. So there we get like for 3,000, 4,000 rupees we get 3-star hotels. But here it is very, very expensive. So it is at least $250, $300 per night for a 3-star accommodation. So better we avoid that and we stay normal, decent accommodation. Decent, it is very secure and very safe. So, and excellent facilities. And breakfast only 8 francs. So then we can spend our money on activities like sightseeing, visiting places, taking Swiss pass, which is $413 for 8 days. Sorry, $425 for 8 days. So that type of activities we can use our money. See the street. Excellent. I will just cut it and I will start again. See, I'm just continuing. So long videos, it is difficult to merge and later upload into YouTube. So that's why it is always better to restrict a video clip under 2 minutes and a video under 15-20 minutes. Otherwise it will take very long. This is view at 7 o'clock. So because it is cold, it is still spring. So people wake up late in the morning and so we should always try to reach before night, because it is cold. It will become cold after night, maybe after 8:30, 9 o'clock. So better to start around 8:39 from hostel and better to arrive by 8:39, because after dark we can't say anything. It is just waste of time traveling by trains and buses. So that is always better, and we can spend some time, quality time in the hostel, like browsing or talking to people, so uploading videos in YouTube. So all those kind of things we can do. Any office emails, work related emails. So this is the early morning view. I am enjoying at the moment. Now I am going back to my hostel. See the public car park here. So and I see the mountains nearby. Interlaken is close to like world famous villages like Wengen, Murren, Lauterbrunnen. So they are the world famous villages, and also Jungfrau, close to Jungfrau, and close to Lucerne. So from Lucerne we can go to Mount Itlis, Mount Pilatus. So there are also two world famous gondola rides and cable car rides. So it is close to Zurich and Spies, Thun, Bern, the lakes. So it is always better to stay in Interlaken for at least 1 week, so that we can cover all important, excellent areas in Switzerland. I'm just waiting for my breakfast to start. We will start at 7:30 a.m. Now I am starting from my hostel. I am a bit late today, like almost like 1 hour. So I have to cover this in the evening because there are some personal things to do. That's why it took time. So now I am going towards Interlaken West Station. I'm going towards Interlaken West, Bahnhof. So from there I want to just take bus like this and go to different villages. So I want to explore different villages before the lunch. So just going by bus, spend some time in the village, small village if possible, and then come back by next bus. So that is my plan. So otherwise, if possible, I will go to Grindelwald. So like Wengen, Murren, Lauterbrunnen, best villages in the world. So these are the two things I want to do today. And if I have time, then I will go to Lucerne. But depends on the time. So because I am already late by 1 hour. So I don't think I can do 3 things today. The same road which I took yesterday in the evening walk. So now it is morning walk. I have to buy simple shoes. So I am going to one shop. I think Dutch and Barch or something like that. In front of Interlaken West Station. One Indian guy told me yesterday that is the place where we get best and cheap shoes in Switzerland. I saw yesterday night after 7 o'clock from the windows, and I can see the shoes, chappals, sandals. They are all in very affordable prices, and also they have discounts, sale. So now I am going there to buy shoes, simple minimum shoes to protect me from this cold spring in Switzerland. Daytime it's fine, but suddenly after 7-8 o'clock, so it becomes cold and we can't walk without shoes. So it is always better to wear proper shoes in Europe. So this is Interlaken West Station, so where I got down from my train Golden Pass Express yesterday. So this is that shop I was talking, Dosen Bosch plus Sport. So this is the place in Switzerland where we get excellent, cheap, affordable shoes, chappals, jackets. Going to 101 Wittenberg using 101 bus. So I will explore first this one and then 101. So it is starting from Interlaken West Bahnhof, and I go to Wittenberg station. So like 11:07 it will reach. It is like 35 minutes. Then I spend some time there. Full area started in Interlaken. These are all canals. So the mostly water comes from frozen, like melting glaciers. This is spring, so all glaciers will melt and water flows in streams, lakes, and then finally into rivers. So it's a pure water. We can drink water anywhere, in bathrooms, kitchen, everywhere. So it is a pure water in Switzerland, one of the purest in the world. Came to Wittenberg. Wittenberg is a mountainous village, so famous for trekking. So this bus will go back again at 11:20. So I will catch that bus. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి. లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.